Assam Rifles seized 3 packets of heroin powder weighing 400 grams from 2 individuals at Khudengthabi checkpost yesterday. The contraband was worth around rupees 2 crore in the international market. Thoubal Commando arrested Mohammad Rashid Ali, aged 32, son of Mohammad Khairuddin of Moizing Awang Leikai, along with one Alto car without proper documents, which has been suspected to be used in drug smuggling cases. Rashid disclosed that his elder brother along with his associates have been involved in vehicle thieves, illegal manufacturing of heroin brown sugar, transportation of chemicals used in it and financing in such illegal activities. A case has been registered at Thoubal police station. Meghalaya government has identified and declared 12 areas as vending zone in state capital Shillong. This was announced by the Chief Executive Officer of the Shillong Municipal Board and Chairperson of Town Vending Committee in a notice issued yesterday. The notice stated that the decision was taken as per the provisions of the Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014. 5 coaches of Mumbai-Bhubaneswar Lokmanya Tilak Express derailed near Cuttack in Orissa this morning after the train hit a goods train, railway officials said. As per media reports, at least 40 people were injured in the incident, 6 of them critically. The incident took place at Salagaon and Nidungi station at around 7 a.m. this morning, officials said.